Hey guys, so I'm back with another tutorial. So they'll do one more. It's been hours later since I did the last one, which is how to downgrade the iPhone 4S on an A5 device to iOS 6. So this is so freaking cool. It looks so much better than on 3GS and it feels cooler. But in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix YouTube on iOS 6. So this is the current issue with YouTube on iOS 6. So you load the app, and then it says update required. You must update to continue. So you want to click quit. So, and of course you cannot use it. But I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that with a jailbreak tweak. So I already showed you guys how to jailbreak any version of iOS on supported devices using 3U tools. So I put that link up here. And I have other tutorials for iOS 6, like how to fix the app not working. That card is also up here if you guys want to see that one. So yeah, so let me show you guys how to download Cydia, or no, how to fix YouTube. So let's go into Cydia, and then so the first thing you want to go, oh well, my Cydia is just reloading. So this is one of the older tweaks that I already used. You want to install, okay, so you want to click on edit, you're going to click on add, but I already have it, so it's this source right here. Oh, well, screw that. Cydia.info.xiplaygames.uk. I think it was this one. I'm going to check. Yes, it was this one. So that's the tweak. I use this for my video. This is the same tweak where I fixed the to how to download apps with the checkmate tweak. So you need a lot of tweaks to install. So you go to that when you install it. You want to click on G sign in fix. This one fixes, says here, fixes Google's owned app login on iOS 6. So if you try to sign into some Google apps, it will not work on iOS 6. So this is also going to fix that. So at least I can sign into my YouTube account. So yeah, let's restart Springboard. The best thing is, this is on the iPhone 4S, iOS 6 has an untethered jailbreak. Where on the 3GS, it's tethered. So it's kind of a pity because I have to connect it to the computer every single time I want to restart the phone. But with this one, I just power it on and boom, and it restarts. It's jailbroken, so that's pretty cool. So there we go. The speakers look kind of quieter than the 3GS, but I don't know. Anyway, so now let's see if the tweak is installed because we need to do more. So let's check back. All package. This is so fast compared to the 3GS. 3GS was slow. So yeah, that one is installed, and then you want to do this one. Tube fixer for iOS. So this one says is a tube fixer tweak that allows stock apps, or the YouTube stock and App Store apps on iOS 3 to 5 to function. Also serves as a way to disable the update nag on the iOS 6 YouTube app. So this will also fix the iOS 6 one. So let's install this one. So the G sign in one is so you can log in. So I'm gonna log into my account. So this one is just so the update doesn't pop up anymore. But you are still going to see an error, and we're going to change something else, which I'm about to show you guys. So that one is done. So now we're going to have the phone restart again. So now that you got that one, the next final thing we're going to do is change the plist of the app. So basically kind of tricks it into thinking that that version is kind of the newest one. And yeah, so now that we got those tweaks installed, now the next thing you want to install is iFile. So if we click on iFile, so it's this one right here. So yeah, so we click on install, confirm, and this is what you use to change the plist for the this is what you use to change the plist for the app, and it basically kind of tricks it to thinking it's the newest version of the app, so it doesn't ask for you to update. Or yeah, that's basically what it does. Or not really. That the tube fixer is the one that removes it, but it still says error. So this just kind of fixes the error. So I believe it does trick into thinking it's the newest version, just so the error can stop. So yeah, let's just let it download, and it's kind of taking a while, but yeah, let's give it its time. All right, so it's done. So let's head back, and the app should be here. So this is the app right here, iFile. So this is what you want to do up next. Then you want to go into app. Oh, well, the app crashed. Okay, so don't worry about that. Applications, or no, I'm sorry, that's not the wrong one, and it keeps crashing. I don't know, and I think it's just gonna keep crashing. So okay, let me find another tweak, because I know there is a way to fix that with a jailbreak tweak. So I'll already have that video up, so I'll put that card up right here. So let me fix this. Alright, so now that I installed the tweak to fix iFile from crashing, so I'm at the very front menu. It shows up with a slash. So this is where you want to start off, just so it's less confusing. If you're not there, just click the back arrow all the way. You only see it if you're not the front screen. And this is the front screen. You see a slash. So now when you get there, click on VAR. Then you want to click on mobile. You want to click on applications. And I know these are random, you can't really tell, but just click on whichever one until you see the YouTube app. This is iTunes or something. iTunes again. And then weather, this is the weather. iTunes again, Jesus. iTunes. Oh, that's speed test. Okay, here it is. YouTube app. And then it's the, you scroll all the way down until it's the, let me see. I forgot. It's the info P list. Here it is. This one right here, info P list. You're gonna click on, I think it was this one. No, it was this one. If you click on, no. Let's see. I think it's property list viewer. No. Okay, I got it now. It's text viewer. Then you want to click on edit. And so this is the thing you have to look out for. So, see the version number here is 10.11.11546. Alright, so to fix it, you have to change that little number from 10.11.11546 to 15.46.5. Now you'll see this number 3 times. Every time you see that, just change it. So for example, the 10.11 I think it was that one. Yeah, I'm gonna see. Just to make sure. I think, yes, it was. Okay. So, again, you'll see it 3 times. So, I lost it. Okay. So, here it is. Then you want to change that. That one you want to change it to 15.46.5. And there you got that one. And then find the other one. And then there's another one over here. That one is also 15.46.5. And then there's one more, and then we change that one, and then that'll do it. This one right here. You just gotta find it because it shows up 3 times. So this one again, 15.47.45. And then you wanna click done, then save it, done. And now let's see if the app works. Because this is what I did for my 3GS and it worked. And fingers crossed, hopefully, and there we go. So now you got the YouTube app working. So super simple, and it's, yeah, again, there's so many possibilities you can do. So yeah, this feels better on my 4S than on my 3GS because it's so much faster, has more functionality to it, and has a better screen. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this on iOS 6 for a good while. And then at one point I'll update to iOS 8 after I gotta get B-roll clips with this too, and I guess, I don't know. At one point, if I'll try to, whenever I get my iPad 2 back, or when I buy my sister an iPad, I don't know when that will be at this point, but I've been saying that for about 2 years. And then if this is still on iOS 6, I'll maybe downgrade my iPad 2 to iOS 6, because I want to mess around with that one too. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Well, that's all the tutorials I have for now. At the moment, I don't know any other tutorials that I need to install. So yeah, so I gotta get to sleep because, well, it's 10:56 and I got school tomorrow, but I wake up at 8 because I'm gonna do online, because you guys already know why. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.